What is up, everyone? I would say happy 4th of July because that is what day it is here, but this video is going to go up on the 5th of July. But I do have my other 4th of July Buc-ee's t-shirt on that I got last year. So happy 4th. We are going to a party tonight, and I decided to make an apple pie because that's very American, and I'm in love with the apple pie recipe that I have. I have been making it for, I think, over 10 years now. It's that good. So I suggest giving it a whirl. It's not healthy. Like I have mentioned in the video, it's not a healthy recipe, but what pie is healthy? So yeah, there's that. Anyway, like I said, we are going to a party tonight. Gonna go listen to some loud bangs. My dog's gonna go play with his dog friend and go play in the pool, and he's gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna eat some good food. So I will say, there's not gonna be a taste test of the pie in this video. I thought about it. I was like, well, I guess I could just film some footage tonight at our party. But this video goes up tomorrow. So that means I would have to come home at like midnight and edit this video. And I don't want to do that. So you're just going to have to trust me that the pie is fantastic. Also, since I didn't mention, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, and fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thank you for being here. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Hope you make this pie recipe because it's really good. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping. We're gonna get into the pie making. Actually, fun fact, the pie is already made. I'm filming this after I made the pie. And thankfully the pie turned out. As it should. Like I said, I've been making this recipe for a while. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping. Hope you had a great 4th of July. I mean, there's not really much more American than like an apple pie on the 4th of July. I see what I did there. Anyway, let's go make a pie for the 4th of July. So in this saucepan, I'm gonna melt a 1/2 cup of butter. This recipe, not healthy. I mean, I don't know what pie recipe is healthy, but this one definitely is not healthy, but it's a once-a-year pie. So 1/2 cup of butter, I'm gonna let that melt. All right, to this, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour. All right, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Give this a mix. Got my heat on low. I don't want it super hot. I'm gonna add I would say a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I have this pie spice. I'm gonna add that. Add your cinnamon, whatever you have. And then I'm gonna add just a drop of vanilla, not a lot. And mix it together. All right, I'm gonna take my apples. They're a little brown because it's been like an hour since I chopped them up. But I'm going to take 1/2 of my caramely mixture and pour it over the top of this. It's probably good. That might be a little more than 1/2. I'm gonna mix it up. I may have made too many apples. I don't know. My recipe that I've had for years calls for 7 to 8 apples, and I did 5, and it seems like plenty, so. And normally I would be putting this in an actual nice pie pan. I do have several really nice pie pans that I love. But this is going to a party tonight, and I don't trust that it won't get broken. So I'm gonna pour this in. All right, now I'm gonna take this very handy dandy Papa John's pizza cutter that we got for free one year, and I'm gonna cut this into strips. My strips will never be even. It just won't ever happen. The one fub that I made is this is not over the edge, but it'll be fine. We are going to lattice. Okay, I apologize. I feel like the lattice work and my camera work were not good, but trust, I did the lattice. And I very ugly, it's ugly. I crimped the edges. Anyway, now I'm gonna take the rest of this sauce and I am gonna pour it over the top. Just want to get it like in all the cracks. Again, this is like not good for you. This is a sugary, delicious pie. I don't make it very often. Maybe once a year. I honestly can't tell you the last time I made this pie. But I can assure you that it is quite delicious. I remember the first time I made this pie, I remember thinking to myself, what in the heck kind of recipe is this? It just felt wrong to pour this amount of like sugary, globby goodness over the top of a pie and then bake it. But then once I ate it, it was delicious. I am sad. I don't think we have any vanilla ice cream. And this is going to a party, but you know, whatever. Anyway, I have my oven preheated to 300, no. Anyway, I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. I'm going to bake this at 425 for 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna lower the temperature to 350 and I'm gonna bake it for another 35 minutes. Okay, but also pro tip. This is a little bit of a tip that, you know, if you know, you know. Baking sheet with foil. Put your pie, especially this pie, on the baking sheet with the foil, because you will have massive regrets if this leaks into your oven. Ask me how I know. So anyway, I'm gonna bake this for 15 minutes at 425 and then we'll lower it to 350, do another 35, and she should be good to go. All right, she cooked for about 36 minutes and I'm gonna take it out, obviously. I'm just gonna leave it right here to cool. I'm not gonna touch it, nothing. I'm gonna let it cool and let all of the sugary, delicious goodness kind of set up. And then we'll talk about it because I'm bringing this to a party. So there is no like trying this on camera.